Hi there, Carl Wilde here from CJW Realty, and just coming to you at the start of May with a market commentary and update specific to Busselton in the southwest of Western Australia. Now, what we saw over the past 12 months until May overall in Australia was an actual drop of 9.1% in property values. That was an average. And I've always taken a macroeconomic outlook on property as more of a barometer as to what could be happening in our local market into the future. Now, our market in Busselton has not dropped by that at all. It's actually gone up slightly, 3% in the year to date in the first 3 months. So, and did not drop in 2022 like the rest of the country and the majors. But it's a bit like, there's a cyclone up north, we might get a bit of rain. It's always good to have a look at that macro economy to see, as a barometer, what the overall market's doing. And in relation to interest rates, that's to be expected in the macro economy. Now, in the last month, CoreLogic has reported that the market has actually turned around. It seems like it's bottomed out across the country, and values have actually risen in the last quarter by 1%, up 0.6% last month. So it suggests the overall country is turning around despite these interest rate rises for the 12th consecutive rise in a row this week. And after giving us an Easter present, the Reserve Bank's now done another 0.25%. So, but real estate is a long-term investment. That's my opinion. It's not financial advice, but it has served me well over time. And it's about getting into the market, staying in the market and holding that asset for long enough so it appreciates in value, and then deciding whether you might sell it and reinvest it somewhere else, or just sit into the property and go through another cycle. So we have plenty of properties coming up on our horizon here in Busselton for sale that suit some really good investment profiles, as well as to owner occupy. Busselton is set for some capital growth, there's no doubt about that. If you'd like to see what we've got, click on some of our properties below, or give one of us a call here at CJW directly. More than happy to speak about the market with you. And just remember, if you need an appraisal to where your property might sit in the market, give one of us a call, and happy to have a chat. I'm Carl Wilde, CJW Realty, and remember, see us if you need to sell.